I bought some whiskey barrels from Home Depot and some 2-inch pipe that I cut into 6-inch pieces. I attached these pieces with liquid nails, and why I'm doing this will all become apparent later on in the video, but I just went round on each of the 4 holes and put a little bit of liquid nails down and then put my PVC pipe. I allowed the liquid nails to dry for a little bit, but it didn't have to be solid as I just wanted them to hold the PVC pipe in place for this next step. Now I'm going to get my post and place it in the bottom of the whiskey barrel, and then I'm using a shovel here just to hold it square as I didn't have a spare pair of hands. Now all it's left to do is pour concrete. I've seen some people say not to use concrete as they're really difficult or heavy to move after they're finished, but I figured that I'm not going to be moving these for a while, and if I do need to move them, I'll figure out a way to do it. As you can see, the concrete is level with the bits of pipe, and that's going to allow any water to drain out once I'm finished with the project. And now I'm just going to make sure that the post is level. I'm using a level surface to put the whiskey barrel on, and then the post is going to be level on that, and I'm just going to use a shovel to keep it in one direction so I can hold it in the other. This quick set concrete doesn't take too long to set, and yes, you can do it without pre-mixing it. So I did wait 40 hours for the concrete to dry, and now I can move it into place. I'm just going to tip it over and roll it. It's not too difficult to move it like this. I just wouldn't like to pick it up as that's about 100 pounds of concrete in there. If you're liking this video so far and you want to see more of my content and support the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now it's time to attach hooks so we can hang the lights from, and I haven't really found a good use for this tool here. I'm not even too sure what it's called, but I did find it useful in this situation here to hang these hooks. They were able to slot right into the center of the tool here, and it allowed me to drill them straight into the post without pre-drilling them. See me here just drilling it straight in, and it went in with no problem at all. The tool was actually really handy in this situation, so maybe this is what it's designed for. If you want to check out this tool and anything I used in this build, I'll leave it linked in the description below. And here are the lights that we're going to be using. They're Hampton Bay lights from Home Depot. They're very similar to other lights you can get on Amazon or elsewhere. And now we're ready to turn the lights on. We've got the fire going, and there we have it. It looks awesome. Only one problem, one set of lights didn't actually work. So you can see it here along the deck. They didn't turn on. I did check them out, so we just returned them and got a new set. And here's the finished result with mums in there. And this is why we wanted to make sure it drained out so the plants didn't get flooded or we just didn't have a bucket of water.